Let's consider a software solution of Captcha using the API of the SolveCaptcha service. Let's try to solve the image Captcha, also known as normal Captcha. Let's try to solve it manually. To do this, we need to enter the text shown in the image that matches the request. In this case, it is W9H5K. We enter the text and check. Captcha is successfully solved. Let's try to do the same programmatically using the API of SolveCaptcha service. On the GitHub at SolveCaptcha Python, there are examples of scripts for various types of captchas. In addition, there are instructions for installing these scripts, a description of configurations, an error handler, and other necessary information in order to solve various types of captchas. To demonstrate how the API of the SolveCaptcha service works, based on examples of scripts from the GitHub, we have prepared a file to which a unique API is added. You can find your API key on the SolveCaptcha service after registration and authorization in your profile. So the code of the error handler script has been added to this file. You can find it on the GitHub. In our script, we pull the CAPTCHA parameters programmatically instead of grabbing them by hand. But you can extract them manually if that's easier for you. As soon as the CAPTCHA is solved, we receive the response. The script locates the CAPTCHA image on the page and retrieves its source attribute. If the URL is relative, URL join will prepend the domain. It then downloads the image data as bytes and sends it to the SolveCaptcha server. Once the CAPTCHA is solved, the service returns a solution, which the script inserts into the input field before clicking the Submit button. The CAPTCHA solved. Success!